Okay, we're at the end of our session together, second session, step 2. Now you have a ton of homework to complete for our next session, step 3. And I recommend, again, we talked about this before, about 30 to 60 minutes every night this week to complete this homework. Be sure to email us or contact us if you need help with the following essential tasks you must complete as a homework assignment. Here's the first one. Watch a video about hiring 7 marketing professionals on the InterNACHI member marketing team and determine in which ways they can help you in your business. So click that link and watch that video about how to hire a marketing team. It's free, by the way. Click the link here and use the search engine to spy on your competition. I'm not sure where you are, but you can type in your address, your business address, and look for inspectors in a certain radius around your area, in your market area, and learn what you need to do in order to gain a competitive advantage over your friendly local inspection companies. Complete that branding exercise, those 3 questions, listing 3 reasons why I should hire you instead of the other inspector. Design or redesign your business logo by contacting the InterNACHI member marketing team. Start designing and ordering business cards and other print marketing materials like flyers. Perform an inspection of that roof. Your own home, your friend's home, your neighbor's home, a real estate agent's home, do it for free. This is just for training and practice. Practice makes perfect. Take a picture of what you're inspecting, visit the forum, and then write a post about what you inspected. And what do? Well, you get your mobile device, take pictures of the roof that you were inspecting, and then go onto the forum, write a narrative, which is what we call a short paragraph or a description in sentence form about what you observed during your inspection, and upload a picture or 2 or 3 or 4. This is what home inspectors essentially do. We observe, inspect, take pictures, and then communicate about what we observed using words and the pictures that we took. So now it's your turn. Take a picture, upload it to the forum, and then talk about it and engage in conversation with other inspectors. Inspect your entire home at least once according to the standards of practice and use a checklist or software. We have free home inspection checklist that we went over already. It's really good. It's very basic, very minimum, but it will get you through the process of inspecting your home. You have to inspect your home. You have to inspect your home 10 times. Do not crash and burn when someone's paying you a lot of money. You want to go to the inspection well-trained and already through the school of hard knocks, and that you look like you're ready and armored and ready to go, that you're on fire, you're hot, and you know exactly what to do first, second, third, and last, and how to observe it, write it up, comment on it, communicate on it, and then your software is working, and then you know what tools to use, and you go through this home, and you don't take all day, but you only take 2 or 3 or 4 hours at most. And you're talking about ancillary services as well, and you're using infrared or your flashlight, moisture meter, carbon monoxide meter, and you're ready to go. You got your toolbox, you got your tool bag, you got your toolbox, right? You got your tool bag? Here's my tool bag. We'll go through this tool bag. I got all my stuff in here. I got my hat on. I'm certified. I got my logo, business logo. You're ready to go. Dress up, schedule an inspection, and perform a home inspection on your home. So Winston Churchill said about success, it's not final. Failure is not fatal. It's the courage to continue that counts. So you're on step 2. You've got a ways to go. So have the courage to continue in your masterclass. Step 3 is next. It will include our 3rd session together. It will include working on obtaining report writing software, offering ancillary inspections, and building your website. So I'll see you in step 3, but be sure to do your homework, because in step 3, first thing we're going to do is we're going to review your homework. Now, go schedule a home inspection.